Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English Speaking Practice. Friends, whatever I speak, please repeat after me. Friends, today I am going to speak about English speaking practice. English is one of the most important language in the world. It helps us communicate with people from different countries. English is useful in education, jobs, business, travel and daily life. Many people want to speak English fluently, but they feel nervous or afraid of making mistakes. वो डरते हैं कि मैं जो कुछ भी बोलूंगा गलत हो जाएगा. But some people think that speaking English is very difficult. But the truth is that English is not difficult if you practice regularly. Today I will talk about why English is important, common problem people face, and some simple method to improve English speaking skills. First, let us understand why English is important. English has become an international language in schools, college, interviews and workplace. English is used almost everywhere. Good English speaking skills can increase confidence and create better opportunities in life. For example, if someone attend a job interview and speak confidently in English, it creates a positive impression. In many companies, communicate skills are considered very important. Now let us discuss some common problem people face while learning spoken English. The first problem is fear. Many people think, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is wrong? Because of this thought, people avoid speaking English. But mistakes are a normal part of learning. Even small children make mistakes when learning their first language. Nobody becomes perfect on the first day. The second problem is lack of vocabulary. Many learners know grammar rules but do not know enough words to express their ideas. The third problem is lack of confidence. Some people understand English but cannot speak because they hesitate. Now let us talk about some effective method to improve English speaking. Method number 1, speak daily. Method number 1, speak daily. Practice speaking every day, even for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Start with simple sentence. For example, my name is Alam. I live in India. I like reading books. I want to improve my English. Simple speaking practice every day create improvement. Method number 2, learn vocabulary. Try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day. For example, confidence, feeling sure about yourself. Opportunity, a chance. Improve, to become better. Practice, doing something repeatedly. Success, achieving a goal. Use this word in sentence. Use this word in sentence. Not try to remember only words. Use this word in sentence. Learning word with example helps us remember them. Method number 3. Listen to English. Listening is very important. Watch English videos, movies, news, podcast or speeches. Listening helps improve pronunciation and sentence structure. At first, you may not understand everything, and that is a completely fine. Slowly, your understanding will improve. Method number 4. Read loudly. Read English books, newspaper or articles loudly. Reading loudly improves pronunciation and speaking confidence. Even reading for 10 minutes daily can help. Method number 5. Think in English. Think in English. Many people first think in their own language and then translate into English. This process takes time. Instead, start thinking directly in English. For example, I am going to school. I am drinking tea. The weather is good today. Small thoughts can build a strong habit. Method number 6. Practice in front of mirror. Stand in front of mirror and speak on any topic. Observe your body language and facial expression. The method improves confidence. Method number 7. Never stop because of mistakes. Remember this sentence. The person who never makes mistake never learn anything. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake teaches something new. Successful people also made mistakes while learning. Now let us talk about confidence. Confidence is not something we are born with. Confidence grows through practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. At first you may speak slowly, then you will speak better. After some time you will speak naturally. 100% friends. After some time you will speak naturally. Learning English is like learning to ride a bicycle. In the beginning, it feels very difficult. But after regular practice, it becomes very easier. To conclude my speech, I want to say that learning spoken English is a journey. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Practice daily. Learn new words. Listen carefully. Read loudly. Think in English. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Remember, practice makes progress and progress brings success. Thank you everyone for listening to my speech. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.